In the hills where clouds embrace, Ribhoi's heart in nature's grace. Four tongues weave a tale so true, Kasi, Garo, English too. Bynna whispers to the sky, stories of people who never die. Their voices rise in harmony, languages bond, they set us free. Bynna whispers to the sky, stories of people who never die. Their voices rise in harmony, languages bond, they set us free. A Ribhoi, your spirit's strong. In four tongues we sing along. Bynna stands a sacred stone. In unity we call it home. From the fields to rivers wide, the languages flow like a gentle tide. Kasi roots, Garo song, English guides as we belong. Let the words dance with the breeze, Bynna hears, it never leaves. Four voices echo proud and clear, Ribhoi soul forever near. The land of clouds, the land of pride, where cultures meet and hearts collide. Four languages, one melody, a timeless bond, a symphony. Cultures meet and hearts collide. Four languages, one melody, a timeless bond.